Today, we will talk about how to get thick and shiny hair. As always, we like to understand the real root causes of problems rather than just their symptoms. Everything that happens to your hair is merely the tip of the iceberg. The goal is not to add more supplements, but to rely on natural food since it is ultimately the best source. Biotin. Let us start with biotin, one of the B vitamins. Many people take it to improve hair thickness, strengthen nails, and support skin health. But the important question is, why do people become deficient in it in the first place? Biotin does not come from food alone. It is also produced by beneficial gut bacteria. One of the well-known side effects of antibiotics is hair problems, because antibiotics destroy some of the microbes responsible for producing biotin. This explains why many people suffer from hair problems after taking antibiotics, and why these problems return when they stop taking biotin supplements, because the root cause has not been addressed. Another cause of biotin deficiency is eating raw eggs, as raw egg whites contain a substance that binds to biotin and prevents its absorption. If you cook the egg, there is no need to worry, though it is best to keep the yolk slightly runny. Alcohol also weakens liver function and interferes with biotin absorption. The best dietary sources of biotin are liver, egg yolks, nutritional yeast, and salmon. It is worth noting that magnesium deficiency, which is very common, can impair biotin absorption. Zinc and copper also help the body make proper use of it. Vitamin A. We are referring here to the active form of vitamin A, which is retinol, found exclusively in animal products. Its best sources are liver, egg yolks, shellfish, and cod liver oil. Vitamin A is essential for regulating sebum production, which gives hair a noticeable shine. Omega-3. The human body relies on two types of essential fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6. The problem is that the modern diet contains excessive amounts of omega-6 found in seed oils, corn oil, and vegetable oils, all of which are harmful to health in general and to hair in particular. Since the two types compete for absorption, the solution is to reduce omega-6 and increase omega-3, which contributes to hair thickness and shine. Cod liver oil is an excellent choice as it provides additional benefits including vitamin A and vitamin D. Lactobacillus reuteri. This bacterium is absent in 96% of people due to the widespread use of antibiotics. It is distinguished by its ability to boost sebum production, which makes hair shiny, and it also stimulates hair growth. Its effects on the digestive system and overall health are broad and wide-ranging. Copper. Copper is an extremely important mineral that is involved in the composition of many vital enzymes. One of its most prominent roles is regulating iron levels and preventing its accumulation in tissues. Iron is essential for hair growth because it delivers oxygen to the hair roots, promotes growth and thickness, and supports collagen formation. What is not widely known is that iron levels in the body are actually controlled by copper. When copper deficiency is corrected, iron levels improve automatically. Why does copper become deficient? The main reason is the widespread use of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, NPK fertilizers in modern agriculture. Although they significantly boost plant and grass growth, they cause a severe deficiency in trace minerals, especially copper. This leads to reduced copper in plants and grasses, and then in the animals that graze on them. A specialized scientific book documented this phenomenon in detail, noting that copper decline is clearly reflected in the coats of cattle and sheep, which lose their gloss and shine. What applies to animals necessarily applies to humans as well. Other causes of copper deficiency include excessive iron intake, as large amounts are often added to wheat and grain products. Excessive fructose and glucose also deplete copper, as does taking high doses of zinc over long periods. It is therefore advisable to take zinc as part of a balanced blend of trace minerals. Vitamin A and copper work together in close synergy, and deficiency in one affects the other. Following a low-fat diet leads to retinol deficiency, which in turn negatively impacts copper levels. Practical summary. To support hair health from its nutritional roots, the following is recommended. First, Pay attention to gut health by consuming fermented foods such as kefir, pickles, and kimchi to build a strong and balanced microbiome. Second, include liver in the diet as it is a rich source of copper. Third, eat egg yolks for their content of biotin and vitamin A. Fourth, benefit from cod liver oil for its omega-3, vitamin D, vitamin A, and copper content. Fifth, choose organic foods to avoid glyphosate found in well-known herbicides, which causes deficiency in the soil and in the human body. It is worth noting that wheat, even when non-genetically modified, is often sprayed with this substance before harvest. Sixth, make sure to take balanced trace minerals to obtain copper, zinc, and other elements in the correct ratios.